Hello students, in the previous lecture we have seen division method, and in this lecture we are going to see your next question, that is find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers. Your first number is what? 64, and 64 is a two-digit number. 64 is a two-digit number. Make here its pair, that is only one pair is taken here, therefore the number of digit in its square root is 1, because here only one pair is taken. Then see your second example, that is 144. This is your second example, that is 144. This 144 is a how many digit number? 3 digits number, because 144 3 digit number, and therefore the number of digit in its square root is, here make a pair, that is 2 and 1, that is 1 and 2 means its square root is 2. Again you will see your next example, that is 4489. Then your third example is 4489. This 4489 is a 4-digit number, and therefore the number of digit in its square root is, then make a pair, that is 2 and 2 means this is one pair, this is second pair, then its square root is 2. Then see your next example, that is fourth. Your fourth example is what? 27225. 27225 is a 5-digit number, then therefore the number of digits in its square root is, you make a pair, that is 2, this is one pair, this is second pair, and this is third pair, then its square root is 3. Again you will see your last example, that is this fifth. Then write here fifth example. Your fifth example is 390625. Then 390625 is a how many number digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is a 6-digit number, and therefore the number of digits in its square root is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then you will write here 3. And here your this example, this question is completed. Then see the next example. Your next example is what? Find the square root of the following. These examples are given. Then which type you can find its square root? Then see here. Your first example, under root of 2.56. This is your first example. Then you will write here, we have 2.56. Then you will convert into 256 divided by 100. Then find first this square root, that is under root of 256. Then you will write here under root. You will take here under root. Then first you will find under root of 256. By which method? By division method. Then you will write here 256. Again you will make here division method. Then here make a pair, that is this 1, then 2. Then 2. Then 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4, but this 4 is greater than 2. Then you will write here 1 into 1 into 1, and again you will add here 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 56. Again you will do your same method, that is 21 into 1 is 21. 22 into 2 is 4. Then 23 into 3 is 3. 3, 9, 3 2s are 6. Here last digit is 6. Then you will write here 4 into 4, that is 16. Then 1, 4 2s are 8, that is 9. Here 25 into 5, that is 5, 25. Here 5 is last digit. Then 26 into 6, 6 6 are 36. Then 3 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. If this number is correct, then 26 into 6, you will get 156. See here. Then they are subtract, that is 0, 0, 0. Means your under root of 256 is what? 16. Then you will put here this. Then under root of 256 divided by 100, then you will get 16 divided by 10, then you will get under root of 1.6. Means your final answer is what? Under root of 2.56 equal to, sorry, here 16 by 10 because here square root. Then under root of 2.6 divided by 100 equal to 16 by 10 equal to 1.6, means your answer is 1.6. This is your final answer. Then see your next example. You don't take here under root. Then your next example is second is under root of 7.29. Then you will convert into, first you will write we have under root of 7.29. Then you will convert into 7 to 9 divided by 100. 100 means then here 7 to 9. Then make a division method. Then here 2, here 1, that is 2 pairs are taken here. Then 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. But 9 is greater than 7. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Then again 2 is that. That is 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 7 minus 4 is 3, 2, 9. Then 41 into 1 is 41. Your last digit is 9. Then 43 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. But this is very small number. Then again you will 44, then 4 4 16. Then 45 into 5, that is 5 5 25. Then 46 into 6, that is 6 6 36. 47 into 7, because your 7 7s are 49, then your last digit is 9, then 4 is add, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 is 3 to 9, and this number is same, that is 47 into 7, you will get 3 to 9, they are subtract, then you will get 0 0 0. Means your under root of 7 to 9 is what? 27. Then you will put here under root of 7 to 9 divided by 100, you will get 27, its square root is 10, and you will get 2.7. Then your last answer is what? Under root of 7.29 equal to 2.7, and this is your final answer. Then see the next example. Third example is under root of 51.84. Then you will take here we have under root of 51.84 equal to under root of 5184 divided by 100. Then you will find first under root of 5184. Then make here division method, that is 5184, make a pair. Then here 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25, 6 6 36, 7 7 49. But 8 8s are 64, means 7 7 49. 8 8s are 64. This is greater value. Then you will take here 7 7 49. Then 7 is added. 7 plus 7 is what? 40. Here 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 4 minus 4 is 0. Again you will take here 84. 4. Again you will write here 141 into 1, that is 141. 142 into 2, that is 2 to 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Here 284 and 284, they are same. Then you will 142 multiplied by 2, you will get 284. Then 0 0 0 means under root of 5184 equal to what? 72. And put here, that is under root of 5184 divided by 100. Its under root is what? 72 divided by its under root is 10. Then you will get 7.2. Means your final answer is what? Under root of 51.84 equal to 7.2. And this is your final answer. Then again you will see the next example. Next example is 4, that is under root of 42.25. Then we have under root of 42.25. Then 42.25 divided by 100. Then first we find the under root, that is 42 to 5. Then 42 to 5 by division method. Then here 6 6 36, 7 7 49. 49 is greater than 42. Then 6 6 36 and 6 is also added here. 6 plus 6 is 12. Here 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. Again you will write here 2 5. Again you will take here 1 to 5 into 5. That is 5 5 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. That is 1. 5 1s are 5 is 6. That is 6 to 5. Means 125 into 5 equal to 6 to 5. And 0 means its under root is 65. Then under root of 4225 equal to 65. Then you will put here, that is under root of 4225 divided by 100. You will get 65 divided by, this is 10 square, then 10, then 6.5. This is your final answer. Then 42.25 equal to 6.5. Then see your last example. Your last example is 31.36. Then we have, that is under root of 31.36 equal to 3136 divided by 100. Then make a division method, that is 3136. Make a pair. Then 5 5 25, 6 6 36, but 36 is greater than 31. Then you will write here 5 5 25, 5 is add. Then 11 minus 5 is 6, 2 minus 2 is 0, here 36. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 106 into 6, that is 6 6 are 36, then 3 here 6 1 are 6. Means you will get 106 multiplied by 6, you will get 636, then they are subtract, then you will get 0. Means your under root of 3136 value is 56. Then put here, that is 3136 divided by 100. Then you will get 56 divided by, this is 10 square, that is you will write here 10, you will write here 5.6. Then under root of 31.36 equal to 5.6. And this is your final answer. And at the rest you will see in the next lecture.